Alright, we picked up a mystery machine, or mystery box, from the Greenlight headquarters. We're gonna open it, see what's inside.
I love doing it my weird way. Nice. So we got in here. Got a nice little camper.
Does it have green wheels?
Does not look like it.
Does not look like it.
Put that over there. Put that on top. And then, let's make this look. There we go. That's a little bit more presentable.
And there you have the mystery box.